How to download and install Zoom on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can download and install the Zoom application on your PC, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download and install Zoom, which is actually a virtual meeting application on your PC, it's very simple. First of all, you have to go to the download link that I'll make sure to drop in the description box, which is zoom.us/download. This is the official download link, and then once you come to the page, you have Zoom desktop client or Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook or extension for browsers and so on. So instead of just trying to download the whole app for our desktop, we're just going to click the option called download button over here, which is Zoom desktop client. Then if you use some other third-party download manager such as Internet Download Manager, then you'll see this pop up, or else it will directly start downloading. So I'll just click on the start download button. Now once the download has complete, we're going to move on to the installation process. So open the file that you downloaded, maybe double click on it and then open the file location, right? Once you double click on the file and then open it up, you will see this initialization at the very top of the screen. Then it's going to take some time to fetch some of its data, and after the initialization process is complete, you have to choose a folder where you want to install the Zoom clients basically, because sometimes it may also ask you to simply run Zoom in the background and it'll ask you to where it was installed. Then once done, just click on done, and then as you can see, Zoom has been installed. Now if you want, you can join a meeting, sign up or sign into your Zoom account as well. This is how you can download and install Zoom desktop client on your desktop or laptop or PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.